Hi there, this is everything, and today we're gonna be unboxing and having a quick look at this Moto X4. And guys, Moto X4 is a kind of budget-oriented device and having a kind of, I would say, a flagship features like it has a water resistant of with the IP68 certification. So that's a nice thing for those who are really want a waterproof phone under this price. So let's open it and see what is hidden under the box. So let me just cut it. So now let's open it. And guys, this is the Moto X4. And guys, the one of the best thing about this phone is that it's made up of glass, so it gives you that premium feel, I have to say. And as you can see now, look, this thing looks dope. And as you can see, we have some basic specs sticker on the front. And guys, it has dual camera in which we have a one normal, and a second one is actually a wide angle lens. So that is what it is. And let's look at some of the stuffs. I think we have some paperwork going on over here. Let's open it and see. Yes, we have a sim ejecting tool. So this is what it is, and we have a turbo power charger, so it does support fast charging, so it's a nice thing. As you can see, let me show you the ratings for those who are interested. So this is the type C cables. So guys, this is pretty good that we are getting a type C, and one of the surprising thing is that we have earphones as well, so that's a good thing. Now guys, let me just peel this plastic, and wow, as you can see, this thing looking pretty good, I would say. Let me just peel the plastic. And guys, this is the Indian retail unit. I have bought it from Flipkart, so I'll have the link in the description below. So if you want to buy it, please use my link. It does help the channel. As you can see, we have this. And guys, this phone does support a hybrid SIM solution, means you can put a 2 nano SIM or 1 micro SD card. So it's pretty good. And guys, on the back we have a dual camera setup in which we have a 12 megapixel standard camera with the f2.0 aperture. And the second one is a wide angle lens which is of 8 megapixel with the f2.0 aperture. And guys, if you come down, then we have our noise cancellation microphone. And if you come at the front, we have 16 megapixel front facing camera with LED flash, earpiece. And if you come down, then we have our fingerprint scanner with the main microphone. And guys, on the top we have a SIM tray, another microphone, and an antenna bands. And at the bottom we have a type C port and a headphone jack. And on the side we have nothing, and this side we have our power button and the volume rockers. And guys, now let's boot this device up. Let me just boot it up. And guys, by the time it actually boots up and set it up, let me give you a configuration overview. So guys, this device is powered by the Snapdragon 630 processor, which is an octa-core processor with the Adreno 508 GPU. And guys, the screen is 5.2 inch, which is protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass 3, and it is a 1080p screen, so screen quality is pretty good. And guys, one of the best thing about this phone is that it comes with the IP68 certification, means it is dust and waterproof, so that's a good thing. We are getting a waterproof certification at this price point, so that's a good thing. And guys, now the phone has been booted up, and we have a stock Android with this one, so that's a good thing. We are getting a stock Android, but guys, I'm not sure with the updates, because Moto is, updates are not promisable, or I would say I don't expect a lot more updates from Moto, but let's see how they does with this device. So guys, the storage is 64 gigabytes, so that's a lot of storage, and I don't think so that if you will face any kind of storage problem. And it comes with the Moto Actions, so you can use the fingerprint scanner as your back button, or whatever the home button. As you can see, it says one button navigation. To go home, you just have to tap it, and to go back you have to swipe left, and open the recent apps you have to swipe right. So let's just do that. Yeah, and lock screen, you just have to hold it for seconds, then it just unlocks. So yeah, this is what it is. I think we have done. Yeah, we have to do it. Yeah, You got it. Launch assistant. So we have a assistant with this one, so that's a good thing. And guys, these, as you all know, these are the benefits of a stock Android. You'll get uh, the pure Android, and it's super fast, and we are getting a 7.1 Nougat with this one, so that's a good thing. And guys, this is the camera interface that we have, and flash and that basic stuff. Let me just show you. Mm, yes, and guys, this is the wide angle lens. As you can see, it is not that much wide and it's giving that fisheye effect, but I think this is come in handy if you are you can take a cinematic shots with this. And these are some of the modes that we have. Let's just see what it is. This is, I think, a portrait mode. So yeah, let's take a picture. Let me just take a picture. And guys, it takes a second to take a picture, so there's a shutter lag for some software tweak. Just zoom in. Yeah, as you can see, it just blurred the background, but I think it just works pretty well on human subjects instead of these normal. And this is another mode that we have. As you can see, yeah, this is panorama, and I think this is the color mode, as you can see. So you can take some pretty good shots with using these features. As you can see, this is the color mode and this is the pro mode. And guys, if you know what you're doing, then you can take a pretty good shots with the what do you say, pro mode. As you can see, you can set everything like shutter speed and all. So if you know what you're doing, then you can take a pretty good shot with this. And guys, this phone can shoot up to 4K, slow motion, and the face filters or whatever, so that's a good thing. And guys, on the back, yeah, the in-hand feel is pretty good. And guys, this is for this video. Now if you like this video, hit that like button, and if you dislike, you know what to do. But if you like, get subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you later. And if you want to buy this phone, please use the link in the description below. It does really help the channel. Goodbye, see you later.